So we had 105 locally acquired cases of COVID in the 24 hours to 8 p.m. last night. And of those cases, 69 were in isolation throughout their infectious period, 7 were in isolation for part. But as the Premier said, we've still stubbornly got that 27 cases were infectious in the community. Whilst the majority of those cases are still occurring in southwestern Sydney, with 76 from southwestern Sydney, most of these are occurring 69 from the Fairfield local government area. But can I just stress this? We are seeing cases from across metropolitan Sydney. We are seeing unlinked cases. So every time you leave your house, it is critical that you assume you are coming into contact with COVID. So can I ask everyone to reflect on their movements over the next fortnight and make sure that you do not come in contact with anyone outside your household group. Now, obviously, you're going to have to do those essential things like shopping. I want you to limit that shopping, do it as infrequently as you can, shop purposefully, have a list before you're going in there, wear a mask and put the mask on well before you're going in there. So if you're ever, you're now required to wear masks in shopping, outdoor shopping malls, outdoor markets, outdoor places. So basically any time where you're likely to come into any contact with someone outside your household group, you need to be wearing a mask indoor and out. It is an important reminder that we can transmit COVID and we want to prevent that occurring. In terms of the areas of concern for testing, again, this highlights the fact that the disease is not just in southwestern Sydney, and it is important that no one is complacent. So the areas of concern for testing are Fairfield, Bankstown, Liverpool, Lakemba, Georges River, Bayside, Sutherland, Western Sydney generally. I really want to see a big rise in testing in Western Sydney, particularly in Cumberland, Mount Druitt and Rooty Hill. Wollongong, we've had a sewage detection in Wollongong and there hasn't been a known case there. That could explain that. And also just to let you know that a truck driver delivered pet food on the 13th, 14th, 15th and 16th to a depot in Parks and Blaney, a pet food factory in Blaney. We're just confirming the details. They'll be released in an alert, but we are just alerting the community to that. And that highlights the importance of the surveillance testing because some of these results that we've had is picking up that early. It also reminds businesses that when you're going about your actions, make sure that you're doing deliveries in a contactless way. Again, every actions that we can take to reduce the interaction between individuals decreases any risk for COVID transmission. Can I also dispel another myth that COVID is a mild disease? I think I've been saying this repeatedly, but I think we can't overemphasise that COVID can lead to illness and death, and it can cause deaths in young people. And you can pass on the infection when you don't have symptoms. So just because you are well doesn't mean you can't infect someone else. These are really important messages which guide the fact that that's why we're asking households to stay together at this time. So there are currently 76 COVID cases admitted to hospital, with 18 people in intensive care, 7 of whom require ventilation. Can I also just acknowledge that Eid starts on Tuesday, the 20th of July, and I know that this is a very special time for many in our community. I just want to reiterate that we're asking that prayers be only performed in your house. And please, again, do not have visitors to your home, including family members, and do not visit others. I'm sure there'll be a range of technology deployed to allow you to celebrate this most important time, but we do ask for you to ensure that you do comply with the requirements to keep us, your loved ones, and us safe. Thank you.